Think you've seen it all when it comes to trucks? Get ready to be amazed by some of the rarest and most unique pickups out there. Picture spotting a 1962 GMC Fenderside Crew Cab. Only 6 were ever made, and this one is a real piece of history. Or how about the 1978 Dodge Midnight Express, with its bold black paint and muscle car power? And that's just the start. We're talking about the 10 rarest and weirdest pickups you never knew about. These aren't just trucks, they're legends. Stick around for the full ride and hit that subscribe button to Classic Car Archive so you don't miss any more incredible stories about these amazing machines. 1. GMC Fenderside Crew Cab, 1962. The GMC Fenderside Crew Cab is one of the rarest and most unique pickup trucks ever built. Only 6 units were produced that year, making it an exceptionally rare find. Today, only one remains in the United States, highlighting its scarcity and historical significance. Originally designed for industrial and railroad use, these crew cabs were converted by coach builders like Crown Steel Products and Stageway Coaches. They featured 4 doors to accommodate a 6-person work crew and were equipped with steel wheels capable of driving on train tracks. What makes this particular truck even more intriguing is its unique customization. Ray Rain, a family man from California, special ordered it for vacations with his children. He requested a larger rear window, a 9-foot bed, a large rear step bumper, and a high-dramatic automatic transmission. Additionally, he opted for a gasoline-powered 305 V6 engine instead of the standard diesel, making it even rarer. The truck was restored to its original specifications, preserving its distinctive features. 2nd Dodge Midnight Express, 1978. The Dodge Midnight Express is one of the rarest and most unique pickups ever made. Only about 200 units were produced, making it a true collector's item. This truck was a dealer-installed package, created by repainting the Lil Red Express in black and adding special graphics. It featured a 440 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 245 horsepower, which was more powerful than the Lil Red Express's 360 V8 engine that produced 225 horsepower. Despite the increased horsepower, the additional weight of the 440 engine slightly offset the performance gains. The Midnight Express was part of Dodge's adult toys lineup, designed for personal use rather than work. It came equipped with chrome exhaust stacks, gold pinstriping, and a bed lined with real oak wood, giving it a distinctive appearance. The truck's unique styling and limited production make it a standout in automotive history. Today, finding an original Midnight Express is nearly impossible, and when one does surface, it's often a highly sought-after collector's item. 3rd Ford Sky Ranger Convertible, 1991. The Ford Sky Ranger Convertible is one of the rarest and most unique pickup trucks ever made, with only 17 units ever built. Unlike standard trucks, this one was converted into a convertible by professional autocrafters, not Ford itself. The truck featured a retractable roof that folded neatly behind the front seats, a sleek forward slanting targa bar, and unique styling elements, such as lower aero kits on some models. Under the hood, the Sky Ranger was powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine, producing around 160 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that sent power to all 4 wheels. This setup made it capable of both off-road adventures and smooth cruising on highways. Some models also featured custom wheels and unique graphics, further adding to its distinct look. Despite its rarity, the Sky Ranger remains in remarkable condition, with some barely driven. One such example with only 7,600 miles on the odometer, was found in excellent condition, highlighting its desirability among collectors. This truck remains a true collector's item today due to its limited production, unique features, and the fact that it was never mass-produced by Ford. Four, Dodge Rod Hall Signature Edition, 1990. Only 33 units were ever built, making the 1990 Dodge Rod Hall Signature Edition an extremely rare find today. Developed in collaboration with off-road racing legend Rod Hall and automotive icon Carroll Shelby, this special edition 4x4 pickup was designed to bring Baja racing spirit to the streets and the dirt. Visually, it's impossible to miss. The truck sports a bold red, orange, and yellow paint scheme inspired by Hall's famous racing colors. A custom bed-mounted roll bar, tubular front and rear bumpers, and a powerful light bar complete its rugged, race-ready appearance. Under the hood, a 5.2-liter 318 cubic inch V8, paired with a TorqueFlite, a 7273-speed automatic transmission, delivers 170 horsepower, offering plenty of muscle for off-road adventures. Today, these trucks are highly prized by collectors and off-road enthusiasts, a true symbol of 1990s racing heritage. 5. GMC Sierra Grande Olympic Edition, 1976. The next truck we're diving into is a true rarity, the 1976 GMC Sierra Grande Olympic Edition. Produced in only 630 units to celebrate the Summer Olympics in Montreal, Canada, this special edition is a collector's dream. Unlike most other trucks of its time, the Sierra Grande Olympic Edition wasn't just built for work, it was designed to stand out. With its striking white and red color scheme, including a red hood, front fascia, and upper stripe, this truck was hard to miss. It also featured special touches like an Olympic decal on the rear bedside, a unique hood ornament, chrome grille, mirrors, front bumper, wheel opening moldings, and rally wheels. Under the hood, the Sierra Grande was powered by a 350 cubic inch, 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing 165 horsepower. This engine offered a great mix of power and dependability, perfect for both work and leisure. The truck was available in both two-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations, making it versatile for different needs. Today, finding a 1976 GMC Sierra Grande Olympic Edition in its original condition is extremely rare. Its limited production and distinct features make it a prized find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Sixth, Ford F-250 Bigfoot Cruiser 1987 to 1990. Next up is the 1987 to 1990 Ford F-250 Bigfoot Cruiser, a pickup that brought the monster truck craze to the streets. Ford produced only around 300 of these special editions, making them incredibly rare today. Designed to promote Bob Chandler's famous Bigfoot monster truck, this F-250 was a road-going tribute to the off-road legend. The Bigfoot Cruiser featured a 7.5-liter 460 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering up to 365 horsepower, depending on the model. It came equipped with a 3-inch suspension lift, 33-inch tires, heavy-duty shocks, and a double-hoop roll bar with off-road lighting, all adorned with bold Bigfoot graphics. However, a major recall due to safety concerns played a significant role in the rarity of the Ford F-250 Bigfoot Cruiser today. The recall was primarily triggered by issues with the truck's suspension system and the extreme lift height. The heavy-duty suspension, designed for off-road use, caused some stability concerns when used on regular roads, particularly at higher speeds. As a result, Ford was forced to remove many of the signature features, such as the massive 33-inch tires, the 3-inch suspension lift, and some of the custom off-road lighting, which were originally installed to give the truck its monster truck appearance. This safety recall not only altered the original design, but also reduced the overall number of trucks that retained their distinctive Bigfoot styling. Many of the trucks were returned to dealerships for modifications, and numerous original features were either swapped out or replaced with standard parts. This intervention made the surviving models, which kept their original suspension, tires, and design, even rarer and harder to find today. 7. Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible, 1989 to 1991. The 1989 to 1991 Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible stands out as one of the most unconventional pickup trucks ever produced. Manufactured in collaboration with the American Sunroof Corporation, AISC, this model featured a manually operated vinyl soft top, allowing for an open-air driving experience unlike anything else in the truck world. In its debut year, Dodge produced 2,842 units of the Dakota Sport Convertible. However, production numbers dwindled significantly in subsequent years, with only 909 units built in 1990 and a mere 8 in 1991. This sharp decline in production makes the 1991 model particularly rare and highly sought after by collectors. Buyers could choose between a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional 4-speed automatic transmission. Unlike most pickups, this one was built more for style than for work, so it was available with both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive options. Under the hood, the Dakota Sport Convertible was equipped with a 3.9-liter V6 engine, delivering 125 horsepower. The truck's unique design and open-air appeal were features that set it apart, but the market wasn't ready for such a bold idea. Despite being well-built and functional, low sales led to its discontinuation after just 3 years. 8. Chevrolet 454 SS, 1990 to 1993. The Chevrolet 454 SS, produced from 1990 to 1993, stands as one of the most iconic performance pickups ever made. With only around 17,000 units built over its 4-year run, it remains a rare and highly sought-after collector's item. Slash gear. This truck was a bold statement in the early 90s, combining the ruggedness of a pickup with the power of a muscle car. Available initially only in onyx black with a garnet red interior, it featured a 7.4-liter 454 cubic inch V8 engine. In 1990, this engine produced 230 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. By 1991, enhancements increased the output to 255 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, thanks to a new dual exhaust system and a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission. The 454 SS was equipped with a 3.731 rear axle ratio, Bilstein gas shocks, and a heavy-duty radiator. It also featured a quick ratio steering system and a front anti-roll bar, all contributing to its impressive performance. Despite its muscle car credentials, the 454 SS was designed for everyday usability, offering a blend of power and practicality. Today, the 1991 Chevrolet 454 SS is valued at approximately $23,700 in good condition. Its limited production and unique combination of power and utility make it a standout in the history of performance pickups. 9. Ford SVT Lightning, 1993 to 1995. The 1993 Ford SVT Lightning is a standout in the world of performance pickups. Developed by Ford's Special Vehicle Team, SVT, this truck was engineered to compete with the Chevrolet 454 SS, marking a significant shift in the pickup segment towards performance-oriented vehicles. Under the hood, the Lightning boasts a 5.8-liter Windsor 5.8 engine, delivering 240 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain enables the truck to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.6 seconds, a remarkable feat for a pickup of its time. Visually, the Lightning features a lowered stance, unique suspension tuning, and 17-inch alloy wheels, distinguishing it from the standard F-150. Inside, it offers bucket seats and specialized trim, emphasizing its performance credentials. Production numbers for the 1993 model year were limited, with 5,276 units built, making it a rare find today. The truck's combination of power, design, and exclusivity has cemented its status as a sought-after collector's item. 10. Studebaker Champ 1961. The 1961 Studebaker Champ stands out as a unique chapter in automotive history, blending unconventional design choices and limited production numbers. Introduced in 1960, the Champ was Studebaker's AT MPT to modernize its pickup lineup. The truck featured a distinctive design, notably the space-side bed sourced from Dodge, creating a blend of Studebaker and Dodge elements. This mix-and-match approach resulted in a pickup that was both innovative and unconventional. Under the hood, the Champ offered a range of engine options. The base model came with a 170 cubic inch L-head six-cylinder engine, producing 90 horsepower. In 1961, this was upgraded to an overhead valve version, increasing output to 112 horsepower. For those seeking more power, the Champ was available with 245 and 259 cubic inch V8 engines, delivering 110 and 180 horsepower, respectively. Despite its innovative design and engine options, the Champ faced challenges in the market. Production numbers were modest, with around 5,500 units, built in both 1960 and 1961. By 1964, only 259 units were produced, marking the end of the Champ's production run. Conclusion. And that wraps up our look at some of the rarest and most unique pickup trucks ever made. From the Dodge Dakota Sport Convertible to the Studebaker Champ, these vehicles aren't just rare, they're pieces of automotive history. Each one stands out for its bold design, limited production, and quirks that make them unforgettable. So, which truck impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that follow button for more awesome stories about legendary vehicles. See you next time.